Overall prices in Annapolis are up 12.4% from last year to a median of $479,900. It's Friday, May 21st, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in real estate in Annapolis. The zip code with the biggest pricing increase was 21405, up 70.5% to $1,767,250, followed by 21409, up 15.7% to $507,000. 21401 is up 11.6% to $488,500, and 21403 is up 11.3% to $467,500. There are 213 homes active for sale in all Annapolis zip codes. 45 homes were listed for sale since last week's report. 42 homes are coming soon. 26 homes went under contract. 32 are temporarily off of the market. 18 moved to pending, and 39 homes sold over the past week. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this Eastport waterfront home for $3 million. As for rentals, there are only 14 active this month. Rentals are still in high demand, and qualifying criteria is much stricter than most prospective tenants have ever experienced. If you want to know your options about buying or selling, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com. Click on the navigation bar and hit guides. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 21st, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to download our podcast on your favorite service or on your Google or Alexa app. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.